Hello everybody, next to me is a 92 Ford F-150. I'm gonna be showing you around today. Quick info on it. She's out of Tennessee, it's lived its whole life there. 68,000 miles, it's got the 5.0 V8, clean Carfax, all original paint. She is mint, we just brought it up to Michigan. Come on and take a look with us. As we begin to check out the front end of this thing, she's all original, she's straight, no major dings. The chrome on the bumper looks great. The rubber molding around that bumper looks good. Headlamps might be starting to show their age. That Ford crest in the middle, the blue oval looks great. The leading edge of the hood, free of any major chips, which is quite impressive. Let me pop the hood. Hood release right there. And voila. So 302 cubic inches, or the 5.0 liter. This thing is factory fuel injected. It's got air conditioning, power disc brakes, power steering, and you see it is not derived from factory much at all. It's all correct. Motorcraft hoses and clamps. Looks like we got a newer battery. I know tires were just recently done on this truck. Fluid changes, brakes. It's clean. Even the underside of this hood. We have an original sticker that survived under the hood of a pickup truck. I think that's a good tell of how this truck was cared for and how it was stored. Seals up great. Now there are some minor dings. It does have 68,000 miles and it is from 92. We do have a stone chip there, but she's nice and straight. It's a factory two-tone truck. That dark charcoal in the middle looks great. Got her styled steel wheels looking smooth with some new Michelins. Disc brakes beyond there. Nice shiny looking mirror caps. Those do fold in if you ever need. So we move down this nice fleet side bed. You notice we have two fuel doors. This was factory option with dual fuel tanks. So she's ready for a road trip if you need. Out back, we've got the chrome step bumper with the 2-inch receiver hitch. Tailgate is all good and straight. I'll show you how this opens up. All right, so there's a scratch, a small ding or something, but it's very clean. There's no bubbling in the seam where sometimes we find water sitting. The edge, the back edge of the tailgate, that seam is also incredibly clean. This is a dry truck. It's an honest truck. You see someone's fitted it with a nice diamond plate toolbox. Tailgate closes up good. A nice single exhaust pipe. As we look down this bedside, there's no signs of any paint work. It's straight as can be. Another cool option from the factory is this rear sliding window and the cargo lamp up top. Glass is not cracked or scratched up. The seals are all good and plush. Let's take a look inside. All right, doors open up wonderfully. The door hinges aren't worn out. The door's not sagging at all. Door cards look excellent. This is a power window, power lock truck. It has a bunch of cool other features. Tilt column, cruise control. This even has a factory tack. If I slip the keys in here, I'll show you the odometer. 68,673 miles. Very good. Over here on the left-hand side is where you'll find the switch to move from your front and rear fuel tanks. That's that dual tank I was telling you about. Over here in the center, we got the original Ford Motor Company AM, FM, and cassette stereo. AC and heater controls down below that. We've got a 12-volt socket here. Another 12-volt socket, bit of ashtray, a couple of cup holders downstairs here. Dash pad is impressively free of cracks. Gotta love that. I'm gonna lay out some paperwork for you here too. First off, original selling dealer tag still with the truck. Some original dealer literature, the original owner's manual, something pretty snazzy. This truck still retains its original window sticker. This was sold new in Tennessee. It lived its whole life there. We'll have a close-up of this and some of the other documentation, the full listing on our website. And you can go over to LaFontaineClassicCars.com or check out the link. We'll leave it down in the description. Back to the condition report. Headliner, nice and tight. Dome lamp is working as it should. In 92, we've got factory shoulder belts, which is nice and safe. The original bench seat in great shape. It's not torn up. A little bit of wear here, just where it's creased, but not beat up. You got an armrest here. This does not have any wear on it. Very good. Let's fire it up. Radio is working. I need this on. Very good. Heater's working. And our defrost is working. Groovy like a driving movie. All right. I'm gonna put in some pictures of the underbody at the end. It's that clean, we gotta show it off. If you wanna know anything more about this truck, call us up at any time. It's 248-714-2110. Drop us an email too if you'd like. It's inquiry@LaFontaineClassicCars.com. Like I mentioned before, we will leave a link to view the full listing of this truck down in the description below. This is newly available here at LaFontaine Classic Cars. We're located in Michigan. Give us a shout. We could ship this thing to you, help you get financing, whatever it may be. Really sweet truck. Do not find them this clean. Right history, right miles, very well equipped. Lariat XLT. We'll see you guys next time. Be sure to stick around and check out some other clips while you're here.